Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Martin here, and this is an unboxing. I received this, a new battery strap from Annapro, a new company for does Quest items. I also received controller grips and what's it called? Face pad and thumb grips too. So let's jump in and have a look at them. So yeah, it's for the Quest 3. So gotta get Sam to open it. I'll be back in a sec. As you can tell, I'm no Boy Scout, so here goes. Should have came prepared. So we'll go with the silicone stuff first, see what it's like. So, blue, it's sort of like a grey blue, is their popular colour apparently. So they have the built-in bit, so you can just pop the grip open and change the battery without having to slip off the controller. As you can see, it's all fitted there with the little hand strap there. So that's all perfect. I'll tuck that in there just now. There's the other one. Feels nice, nice silicone feel to them. And here's the facial guard. There we go. Oh. So it'll just slip on around the face sponge off the headset. And here is the battery pack. Well, let's do the controllers first. Now, what I love about the Quest 3 controllers are you look at them and you think, how do I open them? You know, Jesus. But as I found out, this little triangle here is a wee push button. So you just push the button and off pops the side. Fantastic. So I will now take my battery out. Same batteries that I received in it. And then I will, oh, I got the wrong one. Okay, we got this one. And slide in. Oh. There we go. Slip it in, slip it on, tuck it into the corner there. There we go, fits perfect. Oh, I know what. If I can just there we go, that's it. Need that there, right. And this grip goes with this one. So we just slide through, slide our little wrist strap through. So it comes, as it's got the wrist straps fitted to the controller, it also comes with the hand strap. So doubles up in safety. I just can't get my finger through. I keep poking it out. Hold on. Just an easier way. There must be an easier way. I just make everything look difficult. There we go. Slide that in. Slip it into its little hole. Pop the silicone around the edges. Pop it in. Slide it up a little bit more. Close the cover over. Alright. And then, there we go. Snug as a bag. Shake it pretty, it feels perfect. You can reach all the buttons. Lovely, perfect. So now my kid can play gorilla tag till his heart's content, because he's will be safely attached to his hand. So that's one. Jump on and get the other one done quickly then. I'll do this one off camera just to show, just to speed up the process. So yeah, huge thank you to Annapro for letting me try these for them. The true owner. I was looking for some stuff for my Quest 3 and he got in touch, and then he reached out and says, yeah, sure, we'd be honoured. I was like, yay! Get to show you another company's great product. And I have to say, I was a bit sketchy about the colour because, you know, blue, but it's not blue. Like I say, it's a sort of grey blue. So this is the fiddly bit, try to get the white bit, try to get the strap, try to get the wrist strap through the hole at the bottom. Fiddly. I need like a hook thing, you know. Here we go. Voila. Alright, slide her in. Put the cover up, scoop over. Make sure it's around all the edges. Up. Oh, I never showed you the body, but here, see? Oh, there, see how the body goes? I need to close it over, you see? That just seals over. There you go, see? Seals over perfectly. Slide your hand in. And again. There we go, look. Perfect. Fantastic. Controller done. Okay, so now, thumbstick buttons. Let's get these. See what these look like. Nice little touch, you know, to sort of blend the colour through. Oh, fiddly. I hate fiddly things, So yeah, if you received a Quest 3 for Christmas or birthday or anything, and you're looking for decent products like battery strap or grip covers, I'll leave a link in the description to Annapro, and you can check them out yourself. I don't get anything, I'm not affiliated with them. I'm lucky enough to have received their product. There we go, that's what it looks like on. So now, a nice grip for the thumb. So, controller's done. Now, face mask. So what we do is, as you know, you just pop the face bit off. Ta-da! And then you just install. Wrap it round, all nice. There we go, see, fits on perfectly. Perfect. Just tuck that little bit in there for the nose to block the light. There we go, see, beautiful. Now we just get the headset. It's the light that's shining. I thought it was switched on for a second there. And then we just, as you know, we clump it back in. There we go. Ba-boom. Probably didn't need to take it off. Hold on. There we go. That's there. And boom. Why does it look like it's on? Let me have a look, sorry. 2 seconds. No, we're not on. There we are. Okay, that is... there we are. Okay, last but not least, the body strap. Product specification. Equestrian material, TPU, PC, ABS, battery capacity, 6500 mAh, input 5 volt, output 5 volt, operating temperature up to 32 Celsius, 113 Fahrenheit. Humidity, so hopefully it will not get too hot. Let's just open this up. There we go. And then let's do it. Open it up. There we are. Right, let me see now. Let's just fix the camera here so you can have a better look, I think. There you go. Can you see now? Okay, so there we go. At the Annapro. Please note when using Equestrian for screen recording, playing games, or blocking the ventilation area may cause the device to overheat. Well, we wouldn't do that anyway, would we? Here we are. Here is the item itself. We have the back head strap. Oh, I ripped it open and it was open already. Our little booklet. There we go. And then we have the overhead strap. Now I don't use these because they irritate, they irritate my scalp. So don't need that. But this is a device that we do need. We just flop these around the right way. Here is the battery. It's exactly like my other one. It has the tiny little lights here. I'll pop on. Here's your charger with your USB-C. So let's wait. Let me see if I can just organize just a bit there. There we are. There we go. This is my strap I got just to get rid of the standard strap, because standard strap is terrible. So just pop off one. Oh. Pop off the other. Bye-bye strap. Okay. And here we are. We just get this, pop it into the two holes here at the side. There we go. Fidgety. Won't be right if it wasn't fidgety, yeah. In the right way? Yeah, it should be. Fidgety stuff. See if I'm doing it around the right way, am I? No, I was doing it around the wrong way. My God. Typical. There we go. That's in now. Okay, let's get the headset. Now, can you believe this is what you pay for? Such a small little device. So, here we go. We just, as you know, just pop your headset over the charge port. Push it in until she clicks. Take the other side, do the exact same. In until you hear the click, and there you have it. You see, and I would turn around because the charging port's on the other side on this one. And then, as normal, you just slide it in, do the thing, and then, well, there you are. See, the little lights come on, show that there's power in it. I've got fully charged anyway, so take that. It's also got a little thing here so you can have the cable as you adjust with the turner at the back. You just have the adapter tucked in the side there. So there we are. This is the battery powered head strap from Annapro with facial guard and controller straps. Oh, sorry about that. Wait, hold on. You're not with me. There we go. Okay, so yeah, that was the battery head strap and the little items from Annapro. Huge thank you to the guys at Annapro for letting me test their product for them. Now I will have a shot of them. I'll check them out. I'll get my kid to play Gorilla Tag, see how they fare, because you know Gorilla Tag takes out a lot, same as like Rec Room and other games that take swinging of the arms. So yeah, thank you very much for watching the video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.